Low eCPM? Ads not showing? You're wasting time to VA, while others are already earning. I'll show you how to skip the hard part and start with a fully approved AppLovin account, PPLX, ready to monetize from day one. I'm Daniel Toe, and after testing over 50 plus monetization platforms, I can tell you one thing clearly.
AppLovin is one of the fastest and most stable ways to generate ad revenue, but there's a problem. Getting an account approved is hard, really hard.
That's why I'm offering ready-made, verified AppLovin accounts that save you time and stress.
Each account is 100% manually approved, tested for quality traffic, and comes with verified credentials. You don't need to create a real app or go through multiple rejections anymore. Our accounts are approved with real app templates, ready to connect with mediation platforms, safe to use for monetization in Brazil, USA, UK, and more. Comes with support and replacement guarantee.
Sold to 200 plus satisfied clients from Brazil, Mexico, India, and even Europe. Here's what they're saying.
If you want to start earning with AppLovin Proper, without rejection, without wasting time, then message me right now. You'll get full account access, quick delivery.